Alright, so we're now going to look at our carcass, our plinth. We've done our back, and we need to put a drawer front on. So you can look at drawing the entire drawer and the sides and the base, but for this purpose we're going to put a drawer front at the top and then two smaller drawers underneath. So for this we are going to click on the top, click on that circle and create a new component, and we'll call this our drawer front. This can be the small. We're going to go back to the top, press that button, and we're going to start sketching this. Now the size of this one is actually going to be the same width as the cabinet. It'll be 450, and the height is going to be 135. We're going to finish this sketch, and we will extrude that 18mm. Except it disappeared. Interesting. Come back. We're going to extrude that, I said, 18mm. And we'll extrude it minus 18mm. Very interesting. I've drawn it behind. That was very bizarre. Very bizarre. 18mm. There we go. Now, will this one let us joint? Now it's doing this wireframe. It's done it to me a couple of times. I'm going to leave that one right there. I'm going to make a new component. I'm going to call this draw 2. I'm going to sketch myself a rectangle, call you 450, 35, 18mm, and now I can move this one. So I'm not sure what's going on there. With this, I'm going to select, go back to the front of this, select my 4 faces. So hold down the Shift key, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then I'm going to get the fillet tool, and I'm going to make a fillet of about 10mm. So give me a bit of that radius, a bit of a routed edge if you like. Now I've got my joint tool. I'm actually going to pick up the back corner, pick up the face of it. Where are we? I want that face, and I want that corner to go all the way up into this corner here. There we go. And that's where the first part of my drawer will go. So now I want to repeat that with the next two. New component. We don't want to start it inside there. Let's start it up here. So close that. See, I just put component 16 in there, not what I want to do. So just drop that up onto there. We will rename that to draw 3. Doesn't particularly matter. We're going to start sketching from the front. We'll see if this one lets us move. The first one we do, 450. This is going to be the size of 230. Finish sketch. Extruding this to 18mm. At the front, select my 4 sides. Don't need to face, just the edges. Almost. There we go. We're going to fill it, and we want that to be 10mm. We'll get our joint tool. Let's pick it up from the back again, all the way around. Look at that, it's wireframe. So, seems to be an issue that I need to work out. We're going to go to cancel that, create, draw 4. What I'm going to do is turn off, I'll leave it for the moment. Because I'm sketching, it won't let us do that. Turn that up to 450. Make that a height of 230. We're going to extrude that one to 18mm. We will select the for edges, we are going to fillet that to 10, and we can joint this one. So we will work out why it's doing this eventually. Interesting. So here I'm going to grab this, I'm going to go minus 230, no, minus 450, and then I'm going to go up 460, 3, which leaves a 2 mil gap between the two, I hope. Yep, there's my 2 mil gap. And then I'm going to do one more draw front, which we might do in a sped up view. Alright, and there we have our set of draws.